Relief operations daw ang nakasahang gagawin ng gobyerno kung saan dalawang forward operation center ang natayo sa Tacloban City para sa Eastern Visayas, habang sa Rojas City naman ay para sa Western Visayas. Binindar po kino na maatawad at ma-rescue ang lahat ng mga kinakayang mahanapin. Kaya iniutos ngayon ang malawakang rescue operations. Sa ngayon ay prioridad ng gobyerno ang pagdala ng relief goods, kaya saka na lamang ikot ang Pangulo Aquino sa mga nasanta upang hindi makanta sa biyahe ng C-130 at makapala sa mga relief and rescue operations.
The President's instruction was here to establish a forward command center. So Tacloban is now in place. That decision was made yesterday afternoon, and that's precisely why we sent all the resources there. And thank you AFP because we finally got the equipment there. It was also decided this morning. I just came from a meeting with General Bautista, the Chief of Staff of the AFP. We are going to put the Western Side Command Center in Rojas City. I understand there's a UH-1 that is about to land in the airport. There are resources being put in place to clear the runway of Rojas City so that we can also fly in the resources needed to establish Rojas City as the forward command center for Western Mindanao.
120. Mas gago sa
Ano lang, hindi ko. Bawal na siya. 120? Ay, hindi na. Gusto mo ito patungo.
Oo. Kaya ka na? Kaya ka na, Ivan? Okay. Thank you, no. Great. Ano yung bako? Paano na lang balay nila? Ang hagdanan nila, ang ilang tumato, step down, step down, step.
Switch to